When it comes to style, Maz keeps it super simple. Hey Rach and John, it's Zanna and...
Maz here.
Okay, we're talking fashion today, but it's not my closet, it's his. Because the truth is, he is so much more organized than I am.
So a few years ago, I decided I just needed to simplify my life, and that of course starts with clothes.
He is the ultimate minimalist.
Obviously, the first thing is your underwear. Get one underwear you like, stick to it. So here I have all my Calvins. Next, we go into the shirts. Don't make fun of me on this one, but I roll the shirts. That way there's no creases, and the majority of the shirts I wear are white. And then there's a few black ones that I have, but I go from underwear, 2 shirts, and then third socks. Same thing, blacks, whites, and then a few other sort of colors. I keep one drawer for all the colored t-shirts, and these are things that I can, wear on the weekends or just throw on if I want to. Here's my closet. I have 7 white shirts, and then if I want to take it to another level, I have some other colors. They're actually all the same shirts, and these are just in different colors. I got my white sweatshirts, my blacks, my grays, and then color. From there, I go into the shoes. The good thing about the sneakers that I love, they already come numbered. So we got the 700s, the 500s, the 380s, the 350s, and they're always in the box. And then my real collector ones are up there, and those are gonna be the ones that just pull out once in a blue moon.
Okay, when it comes to style, Maz keeps it super simple. He has 2 uniforms, very clear lines between them. One is a weekday uniform and the other is a weekend uniform. So this is weekday uniform, starting from the top. White shirt. There's no bells and whistles, there's no frills. It's always white, it's always more streamlined fitting. It's always fits like 2 inches below the belt, and you never tuck it in.
The key to this is just find the shirt that you love.
Yeah.
Find one shirt and just buy the same ones over and over again. And that way you have your look for work. So jeans are super important. I don't like to wear pants. I have a black jean, it's a little bit more dressy up. I have a blue jean, it's a little bit less dressy up. But #1 rule to jeans, never wash your jeans. To keep them fresh once in a while, you actually lay them out in the sun. So in the backyard, just lay your jeans out, and believe it or not, they freshen up.
Zanna, do you wash your jeans?
Of course I wash my jeans. I like my jeans to feel a little bit softer, and I like them to feel more comfortable. Rassi, on the other hand, likes them to be stiff and pressed and just... crispy. This is his weekend uniform. I mean, it's sweats, right? Sweatpants, it's a sweatshirt, it's sneakers, but not just ordinary sweatpants and sweatshirt that you'd maybe go and do yard work in. They're elevated, right? Quality is key.
Sweatshirts come in different thicknesses. So if you get a 12 ounce and up, it's gonna last you a long time. If you have a favorite sweatshirt company you love, for me it's Champion, you can actually go on their website and you can look at where they do collaborations with other designers, and that's the sweet spot because you can get things that are better cut, heavier fabrics, and you're still comfortable and you're looking chic. I can't believe I used the word chic.
Chic. I've never heard you use the word chic before. This is funny.
So on the shoes, once the city sneakers get a little too beat up, they become weekend sneakers. For me, both weekday and weekend, the sneakers are the thing that kind of ties it together, and I can elevate it, bring it down, and it's where I got my pizzazz.
Pizzazz! All this talk about minimalization is inspiring me to maybe edit down my closet slightly. Maybe.